What's up, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. Well, the black car is home again. I'm super happy, and I'm about to do some tire change. Like, gonna go a bigger size. Currently running 255 35 18, so I want to try 265 35 18. But let's go take a look. So, call the mobile. So, you guys, this is like one of the best mobile tire service out there. You can give me my link, you know, if you guys need anything. He's local and he comes to you. So yeah, the car is finally home, guys. So took off all the wheels. I'm gonna put up all the fender liners underneath the car and everything. So guys, this is the setup that I'm running in this car. It's a GSC Series 2 cams, Ferrea valves, hive spring retainer, a Weisco piston. This block is a Darton sleeve block, but it's a 88mm bore sleeve. I have the brand core rods, ACL bearings. I'm running like 1650 FIC injectors, and I have the ETS 6266 turbo kit, the V-band edition. Yeah, and yeah, I'm running for suspension. I have the Fortune Auto coilovers. They're really nice, by the way, like really nice. You see how low the car sits? It doesn't even feel like a lowered car. And yeah, that's about it. Car is currently making 713 on 32 pounds. Just gonna leave it at that because the injectors are, you know, almost maxed out. They are close to 90%. But I'm just gonna keep it that way. I kind of wanna, you know, I don't want to be like running down power or trying to be the fastest. I just want to have, you know, some clean cars. As you know, like I always have clean cars. So I just want to maintain that. I want to keep my cars, you know, nice and clean. This is the other one. I haven't driven it in a while. It's been parked up. But as I said, guys, I'm just, you know, just about keeping my car clean and nice. So that's the setup. So So yeah, guys, we have some races coming. Me and my mechanic, he wants to use the black car and run the gray car. So that should be fun. We have the Tercel to race, and we have some other race videos coming up and other stuff coming up. We just want to say thank you guys always for the support, and just, you know, just taking your time out to watch our videos. We really appreciate it. It's been a lot of rain lately up here, so that's why we haven't been able to do a lot of, you know, stuff. But thanks for sticking with us, guys, and we really appreciate it. From me and Asafa, we you know, respect every time, and we'll see you guys soon.